Hello class, in this video I'll be doing another example on how to graph a line given a point on the line and its slope, and how to find the equation of that line. Let's begin. Okay, so the line passes through the point -2, 1. I'm going to put a point there now. And we need at least 2 points to graph a line, so we're going to use the slope to find another couple of points here. So we know that the slope is -2/3, which implies that from the point -2, 1, we can go down 2 to the right 3 units to find another point. So let's do that now. Down 2 to the right 3. Down 2 to the right 3. And just for good measure, I'm going to find another point to the left of -2, 1. So we can go up 2 and to the left 3 and still be on the same line. So let's do that now. Up 2 to the right 3. And now I'm ready to graph the line. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the equation of this line. And I'm going to do it two ways, once by using the slope-intercept form of the line, and once by using the point slope. So let's start with the slope-intercept form of a line. So we know that the slope is -2/3, and the y-intercept is b. And unfortunately, from the graph, we cannot find the y-intercept accurately, because if we go down 2 to the right 3, we do not stop on the y-axis. So we're going to need another way of finding the value of b. So we know that the given point is -2, 1. So I'm going to substitute 1 in for y, and I'm going to substitute -2 in for x. And now we can solve for y. So this implies that 1 is equal to 4/3 plus b. And I really don't like working with fractions too much, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 3. So we're left with 3 is equal to 4 plus 3b. And if we subtract 4, we are left with -1 is equal to 3b, which implies that b is equal to -1/3. So the equation is y is equal to -2/3 x minus 1/3. Okay, now we're going to do this using the point slope form of a line, which is this. We're going to label -2, 1 as x1, y1, and we have the slope is still -2/3. So we have y minus 1 is equal to -2/3 x minus a -2. Okay, so before you distribute the -2/3, please make sure that you multiply the two negative signs here to get the +2. Next, distribute the -2/3. And again, since I do not like working with fractions, I'm going to multiply every term in this equation by 3. So that is 3y minus 3 is equal to -2x minus 4. Then I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So 3y is equal to -2x minus 1. And then I'm going to divide each term by 3. And notice we get the same answer as we did by using the slope-intercept form of the line. And we are done.